I'm cutting that hose.
Why can't you get it off? Let me have a look.
Just cut the hose.
No, do not worry, friend. Give it to me. Give
The wrong way.
I pull off. Ow, got it. Gets the razor blade out, just got it. Yeah, so the bloody plan is to turbo a bloody Barra. You know what I'm saying?
Oh. I didn't need to cut the hose yet.
Well.
I will shortly because I have to pull this out.
Why do I not have any tools? Because my fuckhead friends lose them all. Yup.
You're gonna get us copyright claimed.
Like you just pulled just some random dirty cloth.
Yeah, dude.
Haven't already realised, ladies and gentlemen, we have no idea what the fuck we're doing. Yeah, I'm still lacking fucking stuff, mate.
Stuff. Ah!
Ladies and gentlemen, break a bar.
When have you ever seen a BF overflow tank where these nozzles aren't broken?
Do we even need to do any of that?
Not really. Not to pull them
I think we start by taking the plenum, the intake off.
Dig like a wombat.
Right, so quick little trip to Bunnings. We just wanted to get a pedestal fan because it's getting rather hot in the garage. Just wanted to move some air around. And then some containers to put all the parts we take off the Falcon, but little hiatus. And we got another one of these.
Tell me what you see. Are we just wasting time again? Please tell me if it's me. You're so used to the silence, it's deafening to breathe. Wake up and we fight again. I'm hoping you don't.
Look at that, mate. We are now all caked up with storage and benches and shit. Whoa. We literally have autism. It's looking good. It's looking the part. Yeah. But I can't see shit. Can you pass me a 10mm 3/8, please? Please, brother. Brother, please.
Relax.
And here we see a wild Zachary. He is jacking up the vehicle.
Dropping
Looking
the vehicle.
damn good while doing it. And he's also dropping the vehicle.
Give it a red hot go.
Bro said he needed more extension bars. Alrighty, I got all Zachy boy looking luscious over there.
Gearbox mount disconnect.
Alrighty. Tail shaft removed. We have undone both of the engine mounts. We're just waiting on a crane hire so we can lift this bad boy out. There we go, mate. We got some audio now. Look what we got. Look what's happening. We got a bloody Barra at a gregarious angle. An engine crane.
I can't get the crane.
A good mate. Bit of fucking tunes. I mean bloody tunes. Oh, did you get rid of that? That's the bit that he said he needed to come off.
Oh, that red fucking.
Oh.
I need to cut that. What, are you talking about the red one or the shifter linkage?
The shifter linkage.
Well, I'm cutting the starter one. Fucking hell. I can't cut it. Don't look at the floor, brother. Don't look at the floor.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you a Barra and a gearbox.
Mechanics.
Also, do not look at the floor.
Big ups to my mechanic friends. Chandler, you're a real one. This sucks balls. We have pulled a Barra out. God's motor.
The car's lifeline, juices all over the floor.
Yeah, fuck.
Blood has been spilt.
Barra. Oil. Oil. Oil.
We have forever tarnished the garage floor in our rental. We are sorry, Alex and
Celine.
Celine.
Our bond is gone. We get that.
That is full of rags of oil. Not so heavy. Less than that.
Tell me what's it mean. Know that I got open words that should have made him bleed.
Welcome back. Today we're going to be getting deep into the crevasses, nooks and crannies of this.
This, whatever the hell this is.
Like onto the engine stand, because I'm like, how the fuck?
I do not know either, friend.
Is it even gonna like, how do we get it over far enough?
Rise.
Probably...
Rise, my friend. Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Oh yeah. This fucker should come off now. Literally that bolt that you didn't do.
Oh well. You see, as far as bolts go, mate. Yeah, I don't know.
Holy.
Flywheel.
Oh no, all this is still connected. I'm gonna cut it.
Connect that stuck.
Connect these stuck, my brother.
The loom.
Do you know the way to unconnect this, brother?
Surely a YouTube video will help us out. Let's bumper.
Fucking trying, cuz. Yeah, that was fucking fresh.
Fuck yeah, buddy. Just sucking straight over it.
Oh, sweet.
So we actually didn't need that. It's just got We're like, yeah, that's pretty secure. Just a smidge, mate. Just, oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Put the fucking locking pin back in. Now, gently, mate, gently. I don't like that.
Why?
I don't know, I just don't like it. That looks way better. Wow, that didn't take very long.
Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Now we have to...
Better understand. Oh my God, how do you feel?
Now we have to undo the... Where's my falcon gone? What?
Where's my... Yeah.
I'm kind of glad that I took the oil out now. Like, it's not much weight, but...
Why did you not fucking film, brother? Huh?
It's on.
Is it filming right now?
Yeah.
Oh no, she already got all the oil. Life is just awesome, man. So smooth.
This is what God will.
Oh. Yeah, I'd grab one of these one day. I'm just like,
Yeah.
you know, just handlebars.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, that didn't feel nice. Oh my God. Stay.
We'll lock her up.
Yeah, lock her up, mate. Also, hope you're ready for your car to get sprayed in oil.
I'll just spray it up.
Just spray out. That.
No soulless, no see through, no goldie.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad, mate. It's not bad. Well done.
I can't wait to high temp spray paint it neon fucking orange.
That, ladies and gentlemen, was 24 litres of air.
Probably the end of this episode. We did removal, barely, looking at it and cleaning it. So in the next episode, we're probably just going to, all that stuff that's on it, it's going to be off it. Then we'll have a good idea of what needs to go back on it. Pretty exciting stuff.
Yeah, mate. But the real issue right now is actually getting this back into the garage.
So that's what we're going to end the episode on, is us struggling to put this back on a solid ground.
Cue montage. I lock the wheels. Whoa, buddy. Yeah, that's heavy. Fuck. Yeah, no.
Now it's fucking leaking shit again.
Oh, fuck, I'm
We should
cool.
have sprayed off the bottom of the crane.
Damn it.